my general suggestion is that unless you are very sure about what you are doing and you really find that intraday scalping is something for you, generally I will always suggest for people to start with swing trading first, because it is something that they can manage at the same, more manageable in terms of the time, effort and stuff like that. But if you're very sure that you want to still continue to do intraday scalping system and using the system that you are actually paper trading right now, can I suggest that you try to paper trade to at least about 100 trades, all right, so that you can roughly know that based on the 100 trades, your win rate is definitely positive, more than 50%, and you are always able to get at least a 1:1 risk-reward ratio. All right. With regards to the trailing stop part, right, I am not so sure that at this point in time while you are trying out your system that you really want to on and off use trailing stop. You get what I'm trying to say? Yeah. Because you want your system to be, in a way, sort of consistent, because you are still testing your system. If you input too many varying parameters along the way, it is going to be very hard for you to feel confident about your system. If you're in the midst of the trade, you change something, instead of profit target, you decide to use trailing stop. So trailing stop, when we use trailing stop, I think that if you just follow a profit target and if you journal down all your trades, by that 100 trades, and if you look back those 100 trades that you do, you look at by the time you exit the trade at a profit target, and maybe you just check slightly later on after that, you will come to a realization whether it might be better to actually use a trailing stop instead of a profit target, or it is better to just stick to a profit target of about 1:1 reward to risk ratio. Because generally, I would say is that my experience, as I say, I'm not the expert in intraday trading, but I've spoken enough to intraday traders that do short-term trading like what you do. And it seems to me is that most of their general experience is that when you are doing scalping and intraday trading, it is very hard to maximize your profits.